What's up, guys? Today is a very special day because I am going stage 1 on my B8 S4. Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys through on how to install the Jackal Motorsport Stage 1 tune on your Audi S4. Now, first things first, I actually have to change these spark plugs in my car. These are NGKs, recommended for the Audi S4 and Jackal tune applications. I am currently running Bosch spark plugs, so I want to see how good the NGK spark plugs are. Now, Jackal recommends that you gap the spark plugs to 0.026 inches, about 0.66 millimeters for the best performance. See how those are looking. All right, so I missed the cold start, but it started up first rotation, first crank and fire right on up. Usually when I switch off like Bosch spark plugs, it takes 3 or 4 cranks, then it gets going, but NGK so far is looking really good. All right, so here's what's going on right now. I have the battery hooked up to a battery Tinder. This is the Noku Genius 1. This will just keep the battery at the optimal level. That way, I'm loading the tune, the battery won't die and mess up my ECU. Next, we have the computer running Jackal Motorsport's tuning suite. So first thing first, we log in. And the password and username is provided by Matt from Jackal Motorsports. Once you buy the tune, he'll send you all the things you need for it. So logging in, this is the first thing you see. We have the engine tune, transmission tune, and the Haldex. That is for a different Audi vehicle, I believe. So we're only loading the ECU tune and the TCU tune. So these are the main ones. And what also comes in the mail is this Jackal Motorsports tuning cable. Now this is optional, but I would definitely suggest getting this. Now this plugs directly into your OBD2 port. That allows you to flash the car from your computer. And I would definitely say get this because Matt also mentioned it in one of his videos that this is actually Bluetooth connected. So eventually you'll be able to load tunes from your phone via Bluetooth. So definitely want to pick that up. All right, let's get right to it. So first thing I want to do is actually plug in the USB to the computer. And let's start with the engine tune. So let's go here. Please power up the ignition, but do not start the engine. So let's go ahead and put it into the ignition. And we go ahead and hit Y. So yes. And it's going to scan and see if the vehicle is connected. So down here. So far, so good. And being completely honest, this is the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever done because it's my first time tuning a car. Please choose a boundary for a controller below. So we're going to look at the tune options, I believe, right here. So we're going to do the off-road version, okay? Now, what Matt told me is that the off-road file will actually clear the check engine light for the ECU. I have a P042, I believe is what it's called. It's for the catalyst system. So that should be taken care of with this one. So let's look at the tunes. That is the back to stock flash, but we're going to run the 91 octane stock pulley is what we're running here. Correction, I'm actually gonna run the 93 octane stock pulley. I just put 93 in it today. So this one right here. 93 stock pulley off-road, perfect. Next thing we're going to do is confirm. And this is the file that we want to do right here, off-road, stage 1, 93 octane. All right, so I added my name and information to the boxes at the top. Now I have been added as a customer, so press enter to continue. All right, so next page, we'll just hit program, and that should take care of everything. So let's see what it does. And I believe we are officially tuning the vehicle. All right, here we go. Please power off the ignition. So we'll go ahead, push that in. We'll press enter to continue. Please wait. Please press enter to continue. Please power up the ignition but not start. So we'll go ahead, power up real quick. Got that on. And then press enter to continue. Here we go. Programming complete. Please power off the ignition. So it looks like the controller is programmed, so we can actually move on to the transmission tune. So let's see. So let's hit the home button. All right, on to the transmission tune. We'll hit the program transmission right here. Put the car ignition in, so let's go ahead here. Ignition is on. We will hit Y to discover. So now let's select our tune. Going to do the production. There's only one available, so we'll hit that one. And we will hit this right here. So let's do selective launch 2500, 3000, and 3400. So let's do this one here. Next up, we will hit confirm. Now we can hit program. So let's see what it does. So it's pre-flashing DTC mass erase. So power off. Press enter to continue. And just like that, guys, we are officially tuned by Jackal Motorsport. We have the ECU tune and the TCU tune, so we should be good to go. Programming complete. The last thing to do is to actually start the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and home. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take the key out. All right, I'm gonna unplug everything. All right, so moment of truth. Let's try to start the vehicle. So let's go ahead and fill on the brake. And fires right on up. So any warnings? All right, so that was installing the Jackal Stage 1 tune on my B8 Audi S4. It took all of like 15-20 minutes to do the tune itself, not the other tune-up stuff. But if you have any questions about installing it, definitely ask Matt at Jackal Motorsports first. But if you have any questions for me, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them. I'm going to do a full-on first drive review. You can probably click the button right here. That'll take you right to my first drive experience. And I'll just explain how driving it in Stage 1 feels pretty much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Other than that, thanks for watching.